it's JeanetteJBeauty and welcome to my channel. I wanted to review the new Dove Amplified Textures line, so I did do a wash day. I'll link right here in the iCards, and here's how my hair looks about 30 minutes after my wash day. And because I'm just reviewing the line, I'm going to do a really simple style, a twist out. For my styles, I like an off-center part, so I'm just going to part my hair accordingly into my quadrant. So instead of doing a middle part, I'm going to make an off-center part in the front and still have my 4 sections. And don't worry, your parts do not have to be perfect whatsoever. Just make sure that they are clean to prevent snagging in between the parts. And in the back, I'm just making a part as I normally would if I was just doing a part going straight down the middle. Now that I have my 4 sections, I'm ready to start styling my hair, and I love to wet style just because I don't have to worry about adding heat or over manipulating my hair to achieve a blown out look. Also, when I add the water, I'm adding moisture because water is a moisturizer alone, and it also helps the products to penetrate into my hair a lot better. So I find that doing this works best for me, and I'm going to make sure that I apply a good amount of the water, not saturating my hair, but just making sure that the curls are activated. Then I'm applying my leave-in conditioner, and this is the Moisture Lock leave-in conditioner from this line. I applied about 5 or 6 pumps of this leave-in conditioner to each section of hair and worked it in really well. I want to make sure that all of my hair really gets the benefits of this leave-in just to help nourish and condition my hair further. And I can really see and feel the difference in my hair. It's a lot softer, more manageable, and moisturized. I could see those curls clumping together, and this is what I was saying earlier when I said to activate the curls. A lot of times when I add moisture in my hair is receptible to the products I'm putting in. I see my curls starting to clump together, being activated, and this is a great sign that I want to have, and I'm going to continue this process on the other 3 sections. After I've applied my leave-in conditioner, I'm going to twist that section of hair just to help lock that moisture in so that when I come back to that section, it's just so much more moisturized and softer and manageable. After I've applied the leave-in conditioner to all 4 sections, I'm ready to start styling my hair, and I'm going to be using the Twist In Moisture Shaping Buttercream as my styler. I'm going to start twisting my hair in the back first. I always work back to front just because it makes more sense for me to do it that way. And I'm making a small subsection within this quadrant, and I'm applying about a quarter size amount of the shaping buttercream to each subsection of hair, and I'm smoothing it in really good with my fingers and then my rat tail comb just to make sure that my hair is really receptive to the styler. And I'm also making sure that my hair is smooth and that there are no tangles whatsoever. And I'm going to start twisting my hair, and I like to do every style with purpose. So pretty much I just really want to make sure that I'm doing the style. I'm not rushing it, I'm not half stepping it. I'm really prepping my hair so that the style can have longevity and success. So I get a lot of questions about how I get my twist outs and styles to last long, and this is my tip. It's truly prepping your hair up for success and doing the style with intent. Don't rush it, don't half step it. Make sure that your hair is really prepped with products. So I love using leave-in conditioners and oils. This time I didn't use an oil because this collection does not have one, but make sure that you are prepping your hair for success and your hair is well moisturized and detangled. And also, don't be afraid to apply a good amount of products to your hair. A lot of times I see naturals applying a pea size, like literally a pea size amount of product to their hair, and I mean, realistically, knowing what I know, that's probably not going to make the style pop and last. So just apply a good amount of product, like even a dime size amount to each subsection of hair like I'm doing. As long as you apply the stylers and really smooth it in, your styles will be set up for success. I'm going to continue to apply the shaping buttercream to each subsection of hair, smoothing it in, making sure that there are no tangles and my hair is nice and smooth and receptive to the styler. Twist my hair with great intent, and I'm just going to continue doing that till I have twisted all of my hair. And fast forward, I'm almost finished. I just have 3 more twists in the front to do. I'm telling you, applying a sufficient amount of the styler and really smoothing it in is a game changer. So make sure if you are not smoothing in your products, if you are not detangling your hair prior to styling it, make sure that you do so because it will help with the style's longevity and moisture retention. Now that I have finished twisting all of my hair, here's how it looks, and it feels amazing. My hair feels really soft and moisturized. And about this scent, it's not too strong. I definitely smell a scent there, but it reminds me of baby shampoo more than anything else. It's not like super strong. I let my hair air dry and I just slept on my silk pillowcase. And now it's 2 days later. I didn't unravel my hair the next day just because I was doing a lot of exercising and I went around the lake. So I just wanted to keep my twist intact and the next day I could unravel. But here's how my hair looks 2 days later. My hair still feels soft and the twists feel nice and dense. This is very important to note because if your twists feel very hollow, most of the times you're not gonna have that weight and definition. But my hair felt really nice and dense. And when I unravel the twist, I just unravel in the opposite direction from when I twisted it. And also I like to separate the curls about 3 times. And this just helps give me some volume. I really love how soft and moisturized and also defined my hair was. This is a great combination to have. After unraveling all the twists, here's how my hair looks, and I'm just going to pick it for some extra volume because your girl loves volume. I just love when my hair is just so big, voluminous, soft, airy, and also I have that definition. And I didn't put any edge control in my hair this time around. Many times I do, but you know, I want to switch things around and prove that you don't always need to slick those edges down for a style to be nice and presentable, because it's just as nice without your edges being slicked down. But overall, I really love my hair. I love the moisture. I love the definition. I love this volume. My hair, it feels so good, so soft, and it smells good. It smells really fresh still. I would definitely recommend to give these products a try, and especially the shaping buttercream. My hair feels so good. I can't say enough. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know down below in the comments, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.